Do you hear that? What's that sound? It sounds like rain. Do you hear that? This is a yes or no question, and the answer will be yes, I do, yes, I hear that, or no, I don't. No, I don't hear that. When asking questions about sound, you can say, what's that sound? Or, what do you hear? Or, what does that sound like? What's that sound? What do you hear? What does that sound like? It sounds like the ocean. What's that sound? What do you hear? It sounds like a cow. What's that sound? It sounds like sheep. What was that sound? It sounded like a school bell. That sounds like laughter. It sounds like someone is having a party. That sounds like a door closing.